Hey there guys, my name is Sam and welcome to episode number 13 of our build series here at Lifted Trucks. In today's episode, we are featuring a 2025 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD in the LTZ Trail Boss trim. The Trail Boss package on the heavy-duty Silverado lineup is an awesome starting point for a build like this. It comes from the factory with off-road suspension, skid plates, blacked out bumpers and grille, the signature red recovery hooks, and right off the lot, it has a good aggressive look. But as you guys know, here at Lifted Trucks, we never leave good enough alone. So we took this already mean-looking truck and turned it into a showstopper. But before we jump into the shop, let's quickly run through what makes this LTZ Trail Boss such a great platform to build on. Under the hood, we've got Chevy's 6.6-liter V8 engine putting out 401 horsepower and 464 pound-feet of torque, all managed through a 10-speed automatic transmission. Its proven powertrain delivers smooth, reliable power whether you're towing, hauling, or just cruising. And the LTZ trim brings all the creature comforts you'd want in a modern-day truck. Leather heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, a big touchscreen infotainment system, premium sound, and a full suite of advanced safety features, including a surround view camera system, just to name a few. It's a truck that will work as hard as you do during the week and keeps you comfortable while doing it. Now let's head over to the lift shop and we'll see what we've got planned for this build. Leading the build today is Richard, a familiar face for those of you who follow our series. Richard is one of our expert technicians at the lift shop and he has quite the list of parts and upgrades set aside for this Silverado. The foundation of this entire build is the McGaughy's 7 to 9 inch lift. Now, for those who aren't familiar, McGaughy's suspension has been manufacturing award-winning suspension products right here in the great US of A for close to 4 decades. They engineer and manufacture everything in-house at their facility in Fresno, and they're well known for a quality fit and finish. This kit is a true drop crossmember design with taller knuckles, which means the factory steering and CV axle angles are maintained even at the lifted height. That's a big deal because it means you're not going to be dealing with premature wear on your drivetrain components. It's a very comprehensive kit that's been well thought out, but one of the things that sets this McGaughy's kit apart is how it triangulates the front suspension. Their exclusive compression struts and A-frame support rods connect the front crossmember to the transmission crossmember, creating incredible structural support for the entire front end of the truck. That's a level of engineering you don't normally see in lift kits at this price point. We're running this kit at the 8-inch mark, which is where the optional McGaughy's torsion keys and fabricated upper control arms come into play. The kit at its base is a 7-inch lift, but with the torsion keys cranking up the front and the upper control arms correcting the ball joint angles at the increased height, we're able to safely and effectively push it to 8 inches of lift while keeping all of the geometry dialed in. Now here's where we took this build a step further. The McGaughy's kit does come with its own set of shocks, but we decided to upgrade to FOX 2.0 Performance Series IFP shocks on both the front and the rear. If you've been following this series, you know we're big fans of FOX and their quality suspension products. The FOX 2.0 shocks use a monotube internal floating piston design that separates the shock oil from a high-pressure nitrogen-charged gas chamber. This eliminates oil aeration and allows maximum performance from the precision valving. The body is made from machined aluminum, which increases cooling capacity and will never rust. These shocks deliver a comfortable on-road ride while providing predictable and controlled handling when the roads get rough. It's a worthwhile upgrade that takes the ride quality of this build to the next level. Now let's talk about what really makes this truck stand out aside from the 8-inch lift, and that's the wheel and tire combination. We've equipped this Silverado with a set of 24 by 14-inch Fittipaldi Off Road wheels from their Alpha series. These are the FA25s and they're definitely head turners. They feature a bold mesh design built with a flat face that really emphasizes that very deep lip. With a negative 76mm offset on a 14-inch wide wheel, the stance on this truck is absolutely aggressive. Fittipaldi builds these wheels from an A356 aluminum alloy that is heat treated for maximum strength. They carry an industry-leading load rating between 2,500 and 3,700 pounds, which is critical on a heavy-duty truck like this. Each wheel also features a bolt-on center cap with Fittipaldi branding for a clean finished look. These wheels are backed by a lifetime structural warranty and a 1-year finish warranty, so you know Fittipaldi stands behind their products. Wrapping those massive Fittipaldi wheels, we've gone with a set of 38-inch Toyo Open Country RT Trail tires. The RT Trail is Toyo's rugged terrain offering that bridges the gap between a traditional all-terrain tire and a dedicated mud terrain tire. I've run Toyo tires on many of my builds and I've always loved their performance and longevity. They deliver fantastic off-road traction in mud, sand, and deep snow, while still providing a surprisingly comfortable and quiet ride on the pavement. The extra thick shoulder and sidewall lugs do a great job digging into deep, soft terrain for traction, but they also provide excellent impact and puncture resistance, which is important when you're running a 38-inch tire off-road. These tires are also 100% American-made at Toyo's state-of-the-art factory in Georgia. The 15.5-inch width on a 38-inch diameter tire gives this truck a massive contact patch and an incredible amount of ground clearance. And with that, Richard has buttoned up all of the final details on this build. His craftsmanship and attention to detail are on full display here at the lift shop. Every single modification is meticulously checked and double inspected before it ever leaves our shop, which is, of course, the lifted truck standard. It was finally time to take this built-out Silverado out for a drive and put together some footage. Let's take a look at how that all came together. I say it pretty much every time, but watching these builds come together in the shop is always fun, but the best part of my job is getting the keys and putting these trucks to work. And this Silverado build did not disappoint. The 8 inches of lift combined with those 38-inch Toyos gives this truck a stance and presence that's hard to miss. But beyond the looks, the performance is where this build really shines. The McGaughy's lift kit with the upgraded FOX shocks delivers a ride that was surprisingly smooth both on and off the pavement and really made a noticeable difference over the kit shocks, keeping the truck composed over bumps and rough roads. The fabricated upper control arms keep the front end geometry correct at the 8-inch lift height, which translates to confident steering and even tire wear. It's a well-sorted build that perfectly balances looks with performance, which is what we are known for here at Lifted Trucks. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of how this Silverado build turned out, or drop any questions on the parts or performance of this vehicle, and we're happy to answer. You can find this beautiful Silverado and more like it at liftedtrucks.com. Head on over to our website to explore our inventory or swing by one of our many locations anytime. And remember, this video is part of our ongoing build series. If you haven't checked out the previous episodes, make sure to do so. Let us know if there are any trucks you'd like to see us feature, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to stay up to date on our latest builds. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll catch you on the next episode. Over and out.